with my favorite. Now you'll be like, there are a lot of favorites, but there's one thing that keeps brands and images apart from everyone, and that is one unboxing that we all love, and that is none other than Sugarbox. So this time we have got this Sugarbox Color Burst Edition, and it's so huge and it's full of stuff that it's not coming in a box, and that makes us super excited. So let's quickly unbox this video, and I am going to tell you one thing before I unbox it. This is one of the most cool Sugarbox that I have received, and I love it. So let's begin. So when I open the box, the first thing that I see is a very cool thing, and that I'm going to use a lot in Jaipur because the summer is scorching, and that is this cap. Now I'll wear and tell you how this cap looks. Don't I look cool? Because I think I look cool. So this is the cap, and there's this French fries icon on it and written fries over here, and it's a very cool cap, and the cloth it's really good. It's like normal caps only, and this is something very useful. So the next product that I see is a very cool zipper. Now the name is Color Burst Edition, and the color of the zipper, just guess. Okay, let me show you. So it's this. So this is a metal colored zipper with the unicorns and a lot of stuff on it, and this is how it looks. And the good part is the straw doesn't drop. It has a stopper, and this is the straw. This is a huge, cool green color zipper with unicorns. The third product that I see is the coffee gel. Again, let me tell you, the product size that you get in this color box is huge. Now this is not a small box. If you see, this is a large box. This is a coffee gel scrub which will go good for I think 6 months to 8 months for you if you even use it every alternate day. It's such a quantity. Thank you Sugarbox for giving us a good quantity product and not those small samples which finish even before I apply it for the first time. Now if you're a teenager or a college going girl, you love it. Now this is like a set of pendants, and there are like 4 pendants down here and then 1 here. So they are like charms, more like charms, and they are pretty beautiful little charms that you can wear with a chain. So you also get a metal chain with it. It's a very simple, nice, elegant chain, and there are like 5 pendants with it. The next thing that I see is this. So this time then they have given us a jumpsuit. Now jumpsuit and not in any print or something, it's an elegant striped jumpsuit. So if I open it, so it has a elastic belt over the waist. It's sleeveless, it's very summery, and it has a pocket. So guys, don't forget, it has a pocket. If you're a girl who doesn't like to carry a purse, pockets are blessings. So it's ankle length jumpsuit. So this is how it looks. You can wear it at a good place, whether you're going out with friends or you're going out somewhere. It is a dress that you'll want to buy. So if you're getting this in a Sugarbox that costs you around what, 1500 rupees, so I think it's something that is definitely worth a buy, because I think this jumpsuit itself is worth more than 1000 rupees. So the next thing that is coming up is the bag, and the bag has a lot of drama just like me, but it also has a different concept this time. So this is not just a clutch that you're seeing here. The colors are very, very usable, because whatever you wear, a tan color with black always goes. Okay, so this is one clutch. So when you open it, you get a zipper over here. When you open the zipper, there is a space for a lot of stuff. This is not it. It also comes with this kind of pouch. So when you open it, other than zipper, you have a pouch kind of a thing, and you can put your stuff here. So while I open it, you can put your stuff here also, or also in the zipper. So it's like a quite spacious bag and very lightweight, so you know you can easily carry it. And last but not the least, we have got the sugar product. It's the triplex wafer biscuit cum chocolate, and this comes like this. So any one of you who likes a wafer biscuit, this is for you. Okay, so this is all about Sugarbox Color Burst Edition. collection which you can buy right now in the month of April, and believe me, you will not regret it, because 1500 is nothing for the products that you're getting. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and wait for next video if you love Sugarbox. So see you next time. Bye bye.